Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Rolls-Royce Phantom versus Wraith. We will explore their distinct characteristics to help you decide which iconic vehicle best suits your desires. The Phantom embodies supreme luxury and a serene, chauffeur-driven journey, while the Wraith offers a more dynamic, driver-centric grand touring experience. Both showcase Rolls-Royce's commitment to exquisite design and unparalleled automotive artistry, each appealing to a unique discerning owner. When it comes to design, the Phantom presents as a majestic four-door saloon, often exceeding 225 inches in length, exuding an undeniable presence. In contrast, the Wraith is a striking two-door coupe, measuring approximately 208 inches long, with a fastback silhouette that hints at its athletic capabilities. These dimensional differences significantly shape their visual appeal and on-road demeanor, catering to distinct aesthetic preferences. Under the bonnet, both vehicles feature formidable V12 engines, yet their performance philosophies diverge. The Wraith, with its 624 horsepower engine, is engineered for exhilarating acceleration and a more engaging driving feel, reaching 60 miles per hour in about 4.5 seconds. The Phantom, offering 563 horsepower, focuses on delivering an exquisitely smooth, magic carpet ride, ensuring ultimate comfort and tranquility for all passengers. Inside, the Phantom's cabin is a sanctuary of luxury, meticulously crafted for rear-seat passengers, offering expansive legroom and bespoke amenities. The Wraith, however, provides a more intimate, driver-focused cockpit, enveloping the driver in luxurious materials and advanced technology. Ultimately, the Phantom is ideal for those desiring unparalleled prestige and a chauffeured experience, while the Wraith caters to individuals who relish driving a powerful, elegant grand tourer themselves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.